Hey Moonbeams, welcome to another week on our Outer Space Badge. Today we're going to hear another story, we're going to sing a song together, and we're going to do a craft. So make sure you get ready, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Let's go! The first thing we're going to do every week is we're going to have our Moonbeams pledge. So the words are going to be on the screen. I want you to stand up, and we're going to say it together. All right, ready? Here we go. Repeat after me. I promise that I will try to love God, to help everyone, and to always do my best. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do at work or play, to grow more like Jesus every day. And now on the count of 3, we're going to say our motto, which is do your best. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do your best. Hey everybody, we're going to sing a song together. We're going to sing My God is So Big. You're going to see Alex doing the motions with you, but when we sing big, I want you to yell nice and loud, big! So strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. And just follow him. We'll sing it through twice so that you get it. So make sure you're standing up and getting ready. We're going to sing, My God is So Big. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. The mountains are his, the rivers are his, the stars are his handiwork too. Beep-bop. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. All right, we're going to sing it again. Here we go. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. The mountains are his, the rivers are his, the stars are his handiwork too. Flip-flop. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. All right, good job, good singing. We'll be singing again every week, so make sure you remember these songs. Our story is called Planets by Becky Baines. Look, it's planet Earth. From way up high, our planet looks like a floating marble of blue, white, and green. But we know that it's so much more. Earth has giant oceans and tiny ponds, towering mountains and rolling hilltops. Warm sunshine, fluffy snowflakes, stormy showers, and falling autumn leaves. Earth has a big brown bears and soft cuddly bunnies, mighty lions and bouncy kangaroos, and people too. But our planet Earth is just one of many planets. What's a planet? A planet travels around a star. There are billions of stars in the universe. Our star is the sun. The sun holds 8 large planets in paths that go round and round. You can't see it, but there's a force called gravity that holds planets in place. Gravity is also what keeps you from floating into space. Planet map. The planets that circle our sun make up our solar system. Can you find Earth? Start at the sun and count 1, 2, 3. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. The 4 planets closest to the sun are made of rock and metal. They are the warmest of all the planets. The 2 closest are a little too warm for us. The surface of Mars looks red because it's covered with reddish rocks called iron ore. Earth is in just the right spot called the Goldilocks zone. People live where it's not too cold or too hot. There are 4 gas giants that whoosh and swirl way out in space. They don't have a hard ground like the rocky planets. Ring around the planet. Some planets have rings around them. Saturn's rings are made of dust and ice. Sunlight reflects off the ice and makes the rings sparkle. 5 teeny tiny planets called dwarf planets can be found in our solar system too. They're too small to be called regular planets, but they're too big to be just rocks. Some dwarf planets are very far away. If you could travel to the farthest one in a rocket, it would take up to 30 years to get there. Wild weather. The weather on other planets is not like here on Earth. An ordinary day in Venus is 400 times hotter than the hottest summer day on Earth. Jupiter and Venus have hurricanes that last for years. Giant dust storms rage on Mars for months. As Pluto travels away from the sun, the gas around the planet freezes and falls down as snow. Some planets have moons. Moons are rocks or ice that circle a planet. It took astronauts in a spaceship 3 days to reach our moon. It would take more than a year to fly from Earth to Jupiter's moons. Our solar system might seem like a very big place, but it's just one solar system in a galaxy called the Milky Way. So far, scientists have counted 500 other solar systems in our galaxy. And the Milky Way is just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. If you started counting now, it would take you 30 years to count to just 1 billion. Howdy, neighbor. With so many planets, you might wonder if there are other people or animals out in space. Astronomers are space scientists who wonder the same thing. Astronomers use telescopes to explore the night sky. They use computers to help them search for planets that are most like Earth. They've already found a few. Look up. Maybe one day, when you're all grown up, you'll be able to board a rocket to Mars. Until then, look up at the night sky, watch, wonder, and imagine what else is out there. At home, maybe you could build an alien. If astronomers did find life on other planets, what would you think those aliens would look like? Would they have spider eyes, duck feet, an elephant trunk, moose antlers, a dolphin tail? Grab a piece of paper and draw your own alien. Thanks for reading with us. We'll read together again next week.
Hi there. For crafts today, you're going to need your blue construction paper, your yellow construction paper, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Today we're going to be making our Moonbeam flag. So to make our Moonbeam flag's base is going to be the blue part, and we're going to add a moon as well as some stars. So we're going to draw a crescent moon. If you remember from last craft, crescent moon is sort of like the shape of a banana. So just a little bit of moon. And then you can draw some stars. Just do your best. They don't have to be perfect. You can draw little stars. I'm not the greatest star drawer, but that's okay. They can be all different sizes. So I'm just going to do 2. You can do as many as you want. You're then going to take it and you're going to cut out your moon. then you're going to take and you're going to cut out your stars. Remember to be safe with your scissors. One star. Second star. Okay, so once you've got your moon, your stars, you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to rub it on your moon. Okay, and you're going to stick your moon to your blue part of your flag. Then you're going to take the same thing, do the same thing with your stars. And again, you don't have to do 2 stars. You can do as many stars as you want. I'm just doing 2 for the sake of time. Okay, so you've got your couple little stars on there. And then lastly, you can take a marker or something and you can write Moonbeams. Now, I'm going to do it upside down and then I'll flip it over so you can see. So you're going to do an M, O, O, N, B, E, A, M, S. And that spells moonbeams. So we'll just turn it around for you and you can see our moonbeam flag.
Thank you so much for joining us, Moonbeams. I hope you had a great time. I hope we see you for our Zoom call, and I hope we see you next week. Bye.